Lucy was playing hide and seek with her brothers and sister, and she hid in the wardrobe and she visited Narnia, but she thought it was a dream.
Lucy walks up to a lamppost and she meets Mr. Tumnus. Mr. Tumnus asks Lucy if she wants to come over to his house and have some tea and cookies.
Lucy and Mr. Thomas are going to Mr. Thomas' house to get some tea, and Mr. Thomas said, "I'm a bad fine," and Lucy said, "You are the nicest person I ever met." No, I am a bad fine," said Mr. Thomas, "because I am going to kidnap you," Mr. Thomas said.